Ride the endless highways, a warrior of the road. My horse is made of iron, leather shields me from the cold. Never in one place too long, always heading for somewhere. Don't know where I'm going, I'll find out when I get there. Some look at me as lazy, a drifter is my trade. Don't have no ties to bind me, got a few dollars that I made. While passing through a one-horse town where I barely broke free, in the arms of a sweet young thing left crying over me. You'll find me on a back road, riding wild, living free. I take the road less traveled, don't want no company. I wanna be where the eagle flies. When I die, please bury me along the winding back road where I can drift eternally. I've got the story of my life painted on my skin. My hands and face have weathered from living in the wind. My saddlebag holds all I own, never had a family. The lonesome road owns my soul, she's always calling me. Don't judge me by your standards, mine and yours are not